You should hire me because I'm reasonably priced. I don't cost an arm and a leg. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License. And have you said this? Have you marketed this way? And when people market to you this way, what do you think of them? It's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for checking in. And thank you if you reach out to the people who sponsor what I do, like Electro Voice Speakers, a DJ Event Planner, great CRM, Perfect Portals, great way to make DJ Event Planner look amazing, right? Promo only, Disc Jockey News, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. Go to entertainment-experience.com and you can learn more about it. So here's the thing about talking about your pricing as something that is reasonable. Okay, first of all, reasonably priced according to who? Okay, what is reasonably priced when you are a unique individual? When you, as a DJ or a performer of any kind, cannot be replicated. You can't say that your price is reasonable or not reasonable unless, of course, people out there think that you're like everybody else. And you're not, are you? So why would you put yourself out there as reasonably priced or doesn't cost you an arm and a leg? Here's another thing. Okay. Reasonably priced according to who, and not according, look, it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg is another way of saying inexpensive. Okay. It says cheap. It says we're going to do whatever it takes to get your business. And that includes taking less money to do great work for you. So that can get in the way. Plus, it makes you look like you're a commodity. It makes you look like you are like everybody else. If you're saying, well, of all the DJs out there, I'm the most reasonably priced. Okay. I've had people tell me that I am reasonably priced all the time. And I, more than likely, I'm charging a great deal more than even you watching this video right now. My rates are commensurate for the talent and the skills that I bring, and it's the amount of money I need to make, not the amount of money that I believe they should pay me. That's not what I'm trying to say. It's a difference between the money I need to make and the money they're willing to pay me. Okay. You can go all day and say, well, I want to be a DJ and I'll just take whatever they'll give me, which, believe me, I did that. When I first started, if you paid me at all, I mean, oh my gosh, you're paying me to do the friggin' thing I love the most? That's the greatest. I'll take whatever amount of money. And I did. I've done it for $5. I've done it for $25. I've done it for a great deal more than that. Okay. But when you're first starting out, you're thinking you're just happy to be here. But the truth of the matter is, that's the way the people in the entertainment business have been treated for years. In other words, you are the first in line and there's a bunch of people behind you. And you're looking at somebody saying, I want to work and do this entertainment job. And they say, well, come and do it, but do it the way I want you to. And don't get all high and mighty about how much money you need to make because there's another guy exactly like you waiting in line. You're just happy to be here. Be quiet and take whatever we're willing to give you. Okay. That is, again, a way to do it. But the people that I know, there's a list of people that I know that have been living in that world for a very long time. And usually they don't live there very long before they have to get themselves another gig. And most of those guys do have another gig, a gig that has nothing to do with what they love. They went and sold insurance, or they got a part-time job here or there, or went back to school to be an engineer or something else that they knew they'd make more money at because they think that there's a price for everything that you do, as opposed to the best will get paid the best. And if you out there saying that you're average, well, I suppose, but I don't know many DJs that are saying they're average. If you believe that you're great, then get a great fee. And don't talk about reasonably priced. That's as bad as a wedding planner looking at me one day and saying, well, I think you're the greatest thing I've ever seen, Bill. I'm going to recommend you all the time to the people that I think can afford you. That's not fair. That's not fair by that person's standard because most of the people that hire me, you wouldn't expect that they would be able to afford me. They just find value in who I am and what I'm bringing. And if you have clients in front of you that find value in who you are and what you're bringing to the table, then reasonably priced It only insults you. And I don't think you should be insulted. All right, that's my take. Tell me what you think. Write the comments below. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.